Stephen and Michael for another edition of Tech Talk Thursday After Dark, and it's dark because we're supporting the meme format because it's a little bright. But let me explain it to you. It's 404 government not found. Ha, aha, aha. Now, moving forward, we're going to be talking about Microsoft winning a big contract. But since I didn't even put any effort into researching it, Michael's going to be speaking about it. Go ahead, sir.
All right, so it's not just any contract. It is a $10 billion contract which was awarded to Microsoft by the government. And what makes it a little bit, what makes it interesting and a headline is that Amazon was considered the front runner for this contract. We all know that Jeff Bezos owns Amazon, but a lot of people might not know that Jeff Bezos also owns the Washington Post, which has allegedly said some bad things about Donald Trump. So, was Donald Trump in private pushing for Microsoft to win this contract? I don't know.
Like as an influencer, you say?
Exactly, yeah. So there could be some grounds, although it has come out that all protocols were followed and Microsoft was chosen fair and square.
So hasn't Microsoft been around longer, though, too?
They have, yeah. It's just that Amazon was considered the front runner, so everybody's wondering how all of a sudden Microsoft shot up.
Switched up? How long has the contract been in talks or whatever?
I do not know, to be honest with you.
Okay, well, you didn't research hard enough then.
Right, I did not. So what's special about Microsoft winning this contract is not only that it's $10 billion, it puts them in place to be awarded $40 billion in government contracts over the next several years that are pertaining to government cloud. Now, you might make the argument that Microsoft was influenced or got the contract because of Trump's influence or whatnot, but I can make the argument that Microsoft is a very reputable cloud dealer. You deal with Microsoft Azure or whatnot. And why is that? So, Amazon Web Services, which is their cloud product, is 5 times more expensive than Azure for Windows, which is our cloud product for Windows Server and SQL Server.
Stupid.
Right. Microsoft Cloud obviously integrates with other Microsoft products a lot easier, which I'm sure that most places use Office 365 or whatnot, some sort of Microsoft product, Windows. And not even that, security. Microsoft has invested $1 billion plus into research and development and hiring 3,500 cyber security agents. They also deal with 6.5 trillion threat signals daily that they analyze. And Microsoft offers 90 plus compliance offerings. So, regardless of whether or not what you think, I can make the argument that Microsoft is just more compatible to what the government wanted as opposed to, Amazon Web Services. In your opinion, what do you think?
Well, I didn't research this at all. And we're a Microsoft partner, so give us more money, Microsoft. No, I mean, I think Microsoft Cloud has been existing a lot longer than the Amazon Web Services, because that just shut up in the last few years.
Yeah, I do not know though when each one was created or whatnot. So
I can only speak that we've been using Amazon. No, we haven't. We've been using Microsoft Azure services for a bunch of servers for a bunch of our clients. They run as absolutely expected they do.
99.9% uptime.
Yeah, I've not really had complaints there about the performance of it. So,
all right, I guess there you have it, and that is why Microsoft won the government contract. See ya.